Oh, guys, it's been 3 years since Iceberg came out. Yeah, we're gonna do a remake. Oh joy, again, bro. The fuck? I need to do this. Give up, try something else. Anyway, so then Shark Boy wakes up because turns out he's totally fine. And the only way to save Lava Girl is to throw her in a boat. Totally fine. Shark Boy proceeds to do. Just drop her. An iceberg. An iceberg. An iceberg. Bruh. I'm a space bird. An iceberg. An iceberg. An iceberg. I'm a space bird. An iceberg. I'm a space bird. An iceberg. I'm a space bird. An iceberg. An iceberg. Yeah. I come from a different planet. An iceberg. An iceberg. Yeah. My planet got destroyed when I was young. An iceberg. An iceberg. Yeah. An iceberg. He's an iceberg. An iceberg. An iceberg. An iceberg. Yeah. Okay. An iceberg. An iceberg. An iceberg. An iceberg. An iceberg. An iceberg. I'm a space bird. An iceberg. An iceberg. An iceberg. An iceberg. An iceberg. Yeah. An iceberg. An iceberg. My planet got destroyed in the ocean. An iceberg. An iceberg. An iceberg. Yeah. An iceberg. An iceberg. An iceberg. Yeah. He's iceberg. An iceberg. An iceberg. Yeah. Yeah. I'm iceberg. An 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 iceberg. Yeah. Listen. Okay, that was a bad friend. What? What did I say? Shut the fuck up. Keep doing your shit. Don't you dare. Don't you dare make me sing Never Gonna Give You Up. That's the same damn song. Brrrr, shut up. Alright, what are you doing now? Let's redo that. No, I'm not redoing it, man. I ain't doing that shit no more. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg. I'm a space bird. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg. He's iceberg. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg. My planet got destroyed when I was young. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg, yeah. I'm a space bird. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg. Yeah. I'm iceberg. Yeah. He's iceberg. I'm 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 a space bird. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg. Yeah. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg. Yeah. I'm iceberg. My planet got destroyed when I was young. I'm iceberg. I'm a space bird. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg. Yeah. Hey, iceberg. I'm 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 a space bird. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg. He's iceberg. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg. I'm iceberg. Yeah. Okay. That's the 3-year anniversary of that song. Or you can call it a song. Like, yeah, we might do a reaction by later today. Thanks so much for watching. Please just subscribe, like, sit there and have a day. We'll see you guys next week. Peace out. I'm iceberg. Yeah. Okay, what was that?